Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and again I'm going to carry on with the Grecian goddesses for my drawings and the analysis and how I think I done for each of them. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. I use an A3 so that I can get the most amount on the actual paper, and I used good speed along with Loomis and observational methods for all of them. And I also simplified the Loomis method for this one, but I will talk about that in a minute. For those that are new, hiya, and this is a journey to keep myself accountable and to get the most, the higher, how should I say it? Basically get more out of my drawing and to perfect my drawing or become a better artist and drawer than I have been before. So, Loomis method with observational methods. I believe I got the proportions right. However, the body should be slightly over to the left, and that isn't evident here in the bust area. Yeah, and also ran out of space for the hand here, the rest of the arm here. But for the first one, I believe that's a good start. It's a statue, I should say, so it's quite difficult to actually see the features on the actual face, but I done my best. And also the hair as well, which is curly and in plaits and pulled back, so it's quite difficult to do. I find if anybody has some tips on how to do that, please let me know. I am really liking my neck and collarbone area lately. I think I'm getting quite good at them. And that's number 1. Number 2 is I didn't pay much attention to the eyes. I wanted to get as much detail on the rest of the body, or concentrate on the rest of the body I should say, and you can see it's evident in the breast area as well as the folds of the fabric. Yeah, so it's Loomis method along with observational again, and I created the bust a little bit fuller than the previous one and more symmetrical because the statue was a little bit more fuller in the bust area as well. And the third one, I utilise a more simplified version of the Loomis method because I wasn't creating much in the way of the face because it's a statue and there wasn't much detail. I know the statue, the photo of it was quite far off, so zooming in I couldn't get much detail. It just became more granulated. So this was, I feel this was the best approach, just creating suggestive areas, suggestive lines I should say, where the features were. But I believe that's the best outcome, and I also ran out of space here, but I wanted to concentrate on this area around the head and the breast and the collarbone area. So I feel, and I done a different approach for the hair. I think it's a lot better than this one by quite a bit, to be honest. But yeah, I'm really happy with my efforts so far for creating faces and bodies. I usually in the past have been concentrating on solely on the face and then the body, not face and body. So my skills excuse me, are progressing fairly quickly now. If you'd like to know more about the process, please let me know below and subscribe to the channel so you can keep travel with me in this journey of perfecting and becoming a more, not perfecting, but becoming a more proficient drawer. Thanks guys, bye!